Oh, whoa, whoa. Yo, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, we're back. Happy Thursday. We did it. We made it to Friday Eve. Woo! Walking through the fire. What the fuck is that? Oh. What is that? What did I put there? A wall? Oh. I think I accidentally moved that wall when I was trying to drag this thing. That's what that was. Alright, cool. Okay, have to do some serious configuration on this fire. So it's going to be a few functionalities all kind of conversing together. And let's think about what those are. It's going to be we're going to need materialize after. No, we're going to need a materialize trigger. That's what it is. But the trigger can't show up until after a cutscene. So we're going to need the trigger to be materialized after the cutscene. I feel like I must have added that functionality. I must have. Oh, I remember what I did. I think I put the materialized item trigger right at the beginning of Bylon. That's what it was. So if you go into Bylon, I trigger that materialized item. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Right? Yeah. Let's see if that's true. Otherwise, we're going to need to come up with some new functionality dealing with triggers and shit. Oh, good, I'm not logged in. So yeah, for this, we have materialize after cutscene. Why don't I just do that after the Bylon meetup? I'm trying to think of why I wouldn't just materialize it after the cutscene. That's probably what I do, right? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, and we already know it's a hazard. Oh no, I need to actually set it as a hazard, right? Oh, it is a hazard, okay. How come it's not hurting me right now? This should be hurting me. It's a hazard. I might need to fix the hazard logic. Because this is a draggable true. Oh, it's not saying hazard. Data type. That's interesting. Maybe because I changed the meta fields? Interaction type. Yeah. Interaction type should be type. Let me double check. Is this not local? Okay, it's not local. Let's click update. Let's just see if maybe I didn't. Oh, well, now I have materialized after cutscene. Hold on, let me double check I got this right. So, map, HTML, map, item, HTML. Fuck you, I clicked the wrong thing. Alright. What was it called? Interaction type. Is interaction type is hazard, right? So if it's a hazard, I do twat. Oh, data hazard equals true. Okay, no, so it's not the type to it. So I don't have data hazard equals true. Data. Well, let's see it. Interesting. Ain't no data hazard. Let me double check. Interaction type equals hazard. Yeah, that looks right. None of these. Explore interaction type. Interaction type. If it's not empty and equals that, that's true. Let me double check. So interaction type. Let's double check that the option values are right. For interaction type, yep. Blah 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 hazard. Yeah, no, I mean this is right. Some spacing, but not on the value. Alright. Well, let's give it a shot. Well, now I'm behind it. Why is this here? This shouldn't be here. Oh, there you go. Data hazard true. Okay, so that did work. I'm not getting hurt though. Why is this still here? I set it to materialize after cutscene. Do I not have that for items yet? I might not. I think I set that up. That drop down only for missions, right? Well, let's add that because I want that logic. Materialize item trigger. Yeah, see, we don't even have it. Alright, we're gonna need that. Right? I'm not missing it. Nope. What's it called? Materialize after cutscene? No. Where art thou? Materialize after cutscene. Yeah, here it is. So I set that materialize after cutscene. All right, straightforward. Okay. I do have remove after cutscene. That logic's already there. So I can use the same logic to materialize. Let's try materialize after cutscene. And that's materialize after cutscene. Okay, cool. So we have that. That'll tell us which cutscene to add. Let's just give it a data point. And we'll call it data. Good thing we don't have a lot of data points. Let's call it, you see, this is trigger cutscene. Path trigger cutscene. So this is the path that's triggered from a cutscene. Yeah, I guess we can just add it anywhere. Materialize this item after this cutscene. Just so I remember what the hell this is. Yeah, false equals fuck you, empty. Yes. Then we're gonna do HTML all L. Data after cutscene, maybe? After cutscene? Yeah, we'll just do one word. Perfect. So this will be the cutscene for using to materialize this item. And until it's there, why you say that? Spice King, Angel 22. What did I say? I don't know why I said that. Depends on what I said. I'll gladly answer your question. Yes. That's good. And let's go ahead and add some styling, because by default we want materialized items to not be there. Display none. Materialize. Cutscene. Not enable. So that's a cutscene trigger. Oh shit, is that the only one I have? Whatever. We'll do data materialize. I know, I think I did, it was after cutscene, right? What did I say? What did I do? You said gay people. No, I don't say. I don't think so. Hell's not real, my friend. That's like saying gay people will go to Orbem. Also not real. So we don't need to worry about that. Oh, no, I've hung out around WeHo a few times. There's some nice spots there, but pretty shady area. I grew up around Hollywood, so that was I want to go hanging out there on a normal day. What the hell did I call it? Oh, remove after cutscene. No, I don't want that. I want materialize after cutscene. Oh, after cutscene. Okay, that's fine. That's not. Let's do show after cutscene. Yeah, that's not very descriptive. I will forget that. Alright, here we go. So anything with that is display none. Unless otherwise specified. Which I guess we can just do engage. So we can just do actually not engage. Display none. How about that? How does that work? How do I do it with other materialize? Materialize map item. Yeah, what do I do with it? I remove it. Well, that's for different reasons. Wait, what? Val num? The hell's that? That's the value number. Okay, that's fine. This code doesn't even look like I wrote it. That's how fucking long ago I did. I don't even remember making val num. That makes no sense to me. Oh. Value is the what? The fuck is value? Oh, it's right here. It's the character position. Okay, so it's the position. So it's going through the node points. It's looking for materialized item, map item. Is this the trigger? Where the hell do I do that? What? Do I add an extra class to materialize items? I didn't know I did that. Here we go. No, this is the trigger. Oh. Okay. This is me removing the trigger. Got it. If it's part of the list. Got it. Got it. Okay, I don't need to care about that. I care about the actual materialized item though. Because it looks like I'm removing the item. Oh, if it should be removed or not. Otherwise, add no point. Okay, I need to add no point. That's what I meant to do. Alright, cool. Yeah, that makes sense. And let's go ahead and add materialized cuts. Wait, what? Show after cutscene. Yeah, right. I guess I could specify that it's something else, but maybe I should, just in case I use that for something else. Map item. There we go. So now I need the logic to show it on load. Oh, I guess the cutscene is going to trigger this. But if it triggers it, then it also needs to, okay. So I need to go to the materialize item logic and tack onto it. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, because this is the triggers that I'm fucking with. Yeah, but I'm also doing the map item as well. So I'm hiding both. Okay, I got it, I got it. So maybe I should just add it to the list. And not do it with styling. Nah, I'll do it with styling. I just need to know what else I'm doing with this. That's materialized mission. Let's load mission buckets. Save materialized. Oh wait, save materialized item. So this happens when you trigger a cutscene. Okay. Yeah. So this is for the materialized item saving. Trigger item creation if you walk over this trigger. And in order to do that, it's getting all this shit and it's setting it all block, and then it's save materialized item right here. Okay. Cool. So this is the function I need to use. Oh yeah. Interesting. I actually created this for this scenario originally. Because what was happening was I was triggering multiple items and they were overriding each other. So I think having the materialize after cutscene logic is way better. Because I can basically loop through everything after that cutscene. Problem is the cutscene itself is in another area. But I do have it saving that cutscene name. So I'll be able to use that. Yeah, so this is actually unnecessary now. But I do want this save materialize item, and it seems like I can save it as an array, so that's good. Okay, we need an after cutscene then. Now that I know what function to use, we'll go after cutscene, which is somewhere here. I don't remember where. That's before cutscene. I can't read. Whatever, I'll just search it. It's not a very hard name to remember. After cutscene. Okay, here we go. So after cutscene, see, materialize cutscene. I do have a materialized cutscene shit. This is for communication. I remember now. Hey, Doctor, what's going on, bud? Welcome back, my friend. How you doing, bud? How's it going? How you doing? Yeah, and this is removing items after cutscene. All right, so let's just add it here. Materialize item after cutscene. And this is let remove items equal document. No, not remove items. Show items. Pretty well. Figure dropping. Hell yeah, man. Any more writing? Any updates on the book? How's that all going? And this is data. Show after cutscene. Sweet. After show items, we're going to do a good old-fashioned for each. I am just burping up a storm. You made a little bit of progress. Nice. Hey, a little bit is not nothing. That's what I know. Keep chugging away. That's how I finished all of my books. Just one fucking day at a time. And I told you, once you get past the 50% mark, you'll just like want to finish it. But before that 50% mark in the book, it's fucking hard. It's hard to get the motivation. So baffled at how you got some of that stuff on your merch store. What stuff? Yeah, 50% is hard. Let's see. You tell me what is weird on my merch. You mean like my beach towels? Or the snifter? That shit's sick. I still have to get this. My hat? Ooh, how about the candle? Is that what you're talking about? Coffee puzzles? Oh, yeah. Dude, Printify is an awesome service. I mean, I just went ham designing items. It's fully drop ship. They handle all the, creation and distribution. Gotta get that candle, though, man. I love this mug. This is what I use every day. This giant 20-ounce mug. It's what real programmers use. Any smaller than this, and you're gonna have to get 2 cups of coffee. And that's fucking annoying. Yeah, I know. That's true. I should get some earbuds on here. I need to be sponsored by Raycon. Get the Orbem Order branded Raycons. We can make that happen. Yeah, anyways. It's a nice shop. Oh, look, I died. The hazard worked. I didn't realize it was killing me. Good. Well, at least we know the hazard works. You'd buy those? Oh, yeah. Yeah, sometimes there's items I'm like, man, I need to just post those because I need them. Raycon. Yeah, I'm working on it. I think I'll need about 100,000 more subscribers, maybe. And then maybe they'll reach out to me. That's it, though. Okay, so now that we have the show item. Oh, I need to do this, actually. No. Okay. So, yes, I need to do this, which is going to be cutscene. Wait, do I have cutscene name? Okay, yeah. Cutscene name. So that will get and show all the items here. So show item dot class list, add engage. What, oh no, no point. Right. So that'll work. And then I also need to, oh, yes, save materialized item, which is area and then the item. Okay, so I should probably build an array and then do this. So yeah, that and then materialize item array. Oh shit. Push show item. I need like the name though, right? What am I doing? Put me up on Twitch? All right. I'll see you over on Twitch, my friend. Let's look at this function. So it takes this, it's an array, and okay, it doesn't give me any information. Cool. Well, let's see what they're doing. Oh, see, they're doing clean class name, value class name. Okay, cool. So that's what I have to do. Good. Clean class name, show item class name. Perfect. That'll do it. And then we'll just do that. Now what's area? I mean, I should have current location. But do I have that here? Blah 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 blah. Oh, current location. There we go. Found it. Cool. So this will work. Hey, that dude. Over on the Twitch. Let's see if we can get stream avatars working. Well, at least it's not failing anymore. I don't know why it wasn't working before. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. I'll give it a second. You just joined. Yeah, so this will work for normal cutscene materialized items, but I need to also include items that were from a previous area that have the window dot blah blah blah. So we need to add to that array. If window dot previous cutscene area, sure. Wait, is there a default to this? Cutscene name. Okay, so I think I can check if it's empty, maybe. So if it's not empty. Oh, you got your own debit card. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Good, good. Damn it. Something in my throat. Apologize. Bits and subs. Pretty sweet. That should help you out. Get past ads and whatnot. Previous cutscene area. Then we need to add to the array. So I can just dematerialize. Oh, here we go. Actually, I need to do this. If this equals cutscene name, that's what I need to do. No. 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 This is after cutscene. This is not where I do this. I should actually... So I have to... I did this for no reason. For at least for my application. I need to do this on load. So enter new area. Okay. Yes. Let's do that. So enter new area. So let's look. Do I already have materialize or check for the window shit? I think I do here. Window dot previous area cutscene. Yeah, this is it, right? See. Oh, cool. I don't even need... Wait, engage. Oh, no. See, this sets it. And then... I need to remove items. Okay, this is where I do it. With the previous area. Yeah. Ooh, but I should probably not do this right after this. Because it's going to try to remove items that don't exist. There we go. Where can I try the engine? Hey, Sales. Thank you for asking. I really actually appreciate your interest. The Orbem game engine is currently under construction. So I haven't listed it in the WordPress directory yet. I am going to post this though eventually to the WordPress directory once my POC is done. Because that's going to be like the main driver of people wanting to use it, because you're going to see like, oh, this is what you could build on this game engine. But if you subscribe and you hang out, join the Discord, I need beta testers to try the game engine out. So I will gladly hand the game engine over to you just in a zip file that you can upload to your website, and you can try to build something. And then, give me all the feedback you can about usability, bugs, that kind of stuff. And that'd be an amazing thing. So stay tuned. I'm on the final level of the demo. That's what I'm building right now. This is Fireball as part of it. So yeah, as soon as I finish this POC and I feel like it's in a state that's playable all the way through, then I will gladly hand it over. Like effective. No, it's more like RPG Maker, rebuilt using WordPress configuration. I mean, I've never used RPG Maker. I have to assume it's way more involved and way easier and better to use because we're using WordPress here. But no, it's not that cool. I wish it was like Unity. No 3D yet. There's room for improvement for sure. Yeah, but no, definitely appreciate you wanting to give it a shot. I know there's a few people out there that are waiting, and yeah, anybody listening that's interested in the WordPress ecosystem and or starting to make their own RPG video game with a no-code solution, this is going to be it. And I'm definitely going to try to, reach out to the word camps and stuff like that, and the WordPress community, and really let everybody know, like, fucking do that, use this, this thing exists. Because it'll be fun. We can make many games. Yeah, you can make as many games as you want. Right now it's one per site, because in the main global settings, you'll see right here, you have the page. So this is the page that the game runs on. So you have to choose one page for that. That's actually a good point though. If you wanted to make multiple games on your website, I could easily do that. So that's a great thing to even bring up, and you haven't even tried it out yet. But yeah, so that's how it works right now. You choose the page on your website that it goes on. You choose the first area that you start on, and you choose your main character, and then basically from that point, you know, everything else is up to you. You make all the areas, weapons, characters, enemies that you want. Did I add shrimp yet? No, not yet. Hey, Dacty's the first one here. You downloaded Audible? Hell yeah. And buy Amazon Music Unlimited? Whoa, nice. You're getting it. You're getting it. Look, you thought you were getting sick earlier? Oh shit, bad air quality. Hey, No Name Noggin! Back. What is up? Yeah, no, I appreciate it. And definitely stay tuned and join the Discord. You know, if you just go to orbemortar.com, and this is the main website. This is the website that runs the game. There's a join the Discord on the homepage. This will get you into the community. There's game developer section, web developer section, music, memes, all that kind of stuff. And this is where you can talk to me when I'm not on stream, and where we can share game engine details, which would be great. Yeah, I didn't add shrimp yet. I'm sorry. Trying to finish all the main functionality now, all the way to the boss fight, and then I'm going to add all the Easter eggs. Shrimp. There's a crowbar I need to add from Half-Life, apparently. You're playing through Hollow Knight? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, you're replaying Hollow Knight so you can do Silksong? That's great. Yeah, I've never played either. They look like a lot of fun, though. Just seems kind of grindy to me, you know. I love the gameplay, though. It's really cool. Definitely got to check it out sometime. What was I saying? Yes, this is where I'm setting it. No, this is where I'm using it. So I think this is where I can do the, oops, shit, the logic of showing the item. And then I need to save it. It's not grindy? It's just hard? Okay. Yeah, I figure like anything where you're like repetitively dying over and over trying to do something properly, it's fine. Yeah. I think it's fun to watch. What are we building? We are building the world's first WordPress-based game engine, a no-code RPG maker. And in order to build my game, basically. And if you go to orbem.games, you can play basically what I've built so far. But it's oh, nice. Why did my site just die? Yeah. But yeah, it's basically, it's a game based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, the Hamonian Chronicles. It could be really great, and it's working pretty well so far, and it's a plugin, so eventually you'll be able to just install this plugin on your site, choose the page you want to run the game on, and then start building, you know, items, people, intro videos, and intro videos, and it's all, you know,
technologist. The main focus has been on the theory of
whatever you want to add to it. It's all about asset management, man.
Trying to transport matter around the cosmos.
And then you'll see we have wandering NPCs, tutorial pop-up messages. You know, these are all triggered. Cutscenes when you touch people.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Oh. I have Google Text-to-Speech API built into this. You can choose voices.
By Cranston.
If you don't upload your own. You can also upload your own voiceovers whenever you want. Yes, definitely subscribe because you're going to need to see this. You can punch plants. That's a little Easter egg. You're not supposed to know that exists.
What was I doing again?
You got collectibles, breakables, draggables, focus view. You know, you can look at things.
I guess I should talk to my
interactions with your boss.
Hey, Mr. Sobson.
And his image isn't set, but he faces my direction when he talks to me.
Hey, Craig.
Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, great.
Yeah,
Sorry,
this
didn't
is how I
notice
work.
you were there.
Yeah, I got. If I would have played out the whole intro video, you would have known he got fired. So now he's all
Sure.
bummed and talking to his boss.
You know they say.
And yeah, the demo was going to be based off of the first 5 chapters of Orbem, the first book.
There's just
And
me in my
so it'll be a lot more fun for people that actually read the book. And I got the fade in and fade out logic working pretty well too. Yeah, and you got new levels, you know, all of this is just set dressing, map, images, auto scroll when people talk, just all these little RPG nuances built into it that are available to anybody who builds any game. So for the whole game, it's all using WordPress. So I mean, everything is stored in post meta. These are all custom fields I developed. And these are all custom post types that I developed using WordPress as well. There's a couple of custom taxonomies, but not a lot for like magic type and stuff.
almost like twins.
So it's like, let's say I have a website, so I can just put this game on my website page one. Exactly. That's what this is. So orbemortar.com is my marketing website for my book. That's how it started, at least. And my stream. Oh god, we're getting into Infinity Zone. And, you know, like I have my shop here, and, you know, merch and products that I create. And then on top of that, if you just happen to want to make an RPG game for your website, you'll see right here, I just click play the game. And now we're in the video game. You can choose to make people log in, so it can save the game data, or they can just play without logging in.
Just like people, I called you here to
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's yeah, it's using normal WordPress data, and it's not a lot of data either. It's just configurations, yes, nos, what you want to go where. Most of the logic is on the front end. This is vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling. If you're an actual website programmer, you'll be able to build on this game engine, you know, like the programming side, a lot easier than if you're a game developer trying to build on Unity or Unreal Engine or something. And yeah, lots of logic built into it. Something is happening right now. What is dying? I definitely broke something. How come I can't talk to anybody? Where am I? I don't know what I broke. I definitely broke something though. Yeah, and eventually, and you know, you're a cybersecurity student. Yeah. I mean, you can build websites, but your thoughts, logic, it's, you know, you can, oh, hell yeah, man. I really appreciate that, honestly. It does take a lot of architecture, creativity to do this. Hey, Asteron, what's going on? And cool thing about this is it has a lot of front-end development features built into it. So you can build a lot of this just on the front end without even going into WordPress. You can add new items directly from the front end here, you know, just using this field. And these fields come directly from WordPress. So it's, you know, the media library is right here. You can still use that. And you got God mode, no touch. So I can walk through walls when I need to. And, you know, so you don't have to interact with people if you don't want to. And all those little blue things are just visible triggers. So when I turn dev mode off, they go away. But when they're on, you want to see where they are because I can drag them physically. Like this is a wall. Look at me push myself. That's a wall. So I can actually physically drag any item on the map in dev mode, and when I let go, it saves to the WordPress database using REST routes. Yep, please make a proper course on it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do massive amounts of documentation for myself. But that's what this stream is about. Eventually, I'm just gonna upload it to a giant AI. I'm gonna be like, hey, write documentation for how to use the game engine or something. I hope it gets to that point in the future. But yeah, no, I got plenty of things. Luckily, I'm doing a lot of inline documentation. But yeah, I don't know what's going on actually. I definitely screwed something up. And also, you know, your coordinates are being saved every time you let go. So it's a website. People are going to refresh the page, right? So I thought about it like, if for some reason you screw up, you close your browser, right? And then you go back like, oh shit, where was I? I hope I don't lose my progress. You go back to Orbem games and you just click continue. And you're in the same spot you left off. Because everything's being saved as you do it. Hey look, you can even die in a fireball. I made it push you back a little bit, so it kind of gives you an indicator like, hey, get the hell out of the fire. Well, that's working. I died. Try again, just refreshes. And then when you refresh, you have life again. Oh shit. So it refreshes you inside the hazard. Oh, let me through. I walked through the fire. Yeah, and you can also do like full-on theatrical area cutscenes. So, I mean, you can do video cutscenes if you want it to be like super cinematic. You can actually play a video during a cutscene, or you can like organize all the characters in the game in a cutscene like this.
So, Dr. Negrescu,
So this is an area cutscene. It's using the same cutscene logic, but you can add extra, you know, interaction types. So you see how like the box is moving under the person that's talking. And if I skip forward,
Wonderful. It's nice. Welcome to the. There are currently.
Wow, 65. A 70-year-long.
All Petrace. There is. The hope is.
sorry, it's a long cutscene.
Graeme.
I just think it's rude.
So now I like in the middle of the cutscene, you can have new characters walk up, and they have their own dialogue. And this is all done in one
Sorry for
cutscene.
intruding. Jeannie here kept
It's very
telling
easy
me
to
about
handle
needing
too.
a new successor.
Characters have their own
You wanted to
coordinates.
know about him,
You know,
though?
they have
Yeah, hey.
triggers. All right, Doc
You need
dude,
to
thanks
barge
for
into
jumping
a
in, man.
restaurant, though.
Appreciate it.
Anyway, we're here to grill the new successor.
Yeah, me too.
Please meet Dr.
Yeah, I'm definitely keeping it on the low key side right now for WordPress.
Hello.
But I'm gonna present this to the
Genevieve
WordPress
and
community
you
at
as
some
well,
point
John.
and let them know, like, hey guys, you got to start making your own video games.
You
You know. And
Name is the least of your
my
problems
big
in that
hope
regard.
too is that this will go kind of big with the D&D crowd. A lot of websites on WordPress, or a lot of D&D people, like they have like a website where they can keep
Come now,
stats and stuff
Jeannie,
like that.
you know I'm just
But
teasing.
you could actually
brightest
create full-on
flower in the field.
campaigns using this,
Alright, either join us and be
which
late
would
or
be
take your fleet
really
somewhere
cool.
else.
and you
So,
can
before
send
we
it to
were
people and they can
interrupted,
play the
he was
campaign.
asking about Graeme. Honestly,
Well,
So that'd be a lot of
research
fun,
it. Nate. In short, my goal is
you are referring to
It took me
that
5 hours to go to
Aristotle
pause menu.
inside state. You have a laser
Sometimes, man, especially if you break something else, it can take that long.
advanced so far. Os research.
I haven't even thought about pausing. I mean, it's like kind of
Crowd
like
are brought
a,
in to continue
an
their
interactive
free.
RPG, so
Cooperate-
not a big deal. And now the cool part too is I added in a feature specifically for my game, but like this, you can do this in your game as well. I can change my character now because I set them as crew members. So when I first talk to them, they get added to my crew member list. She's fast, so she's a speed character. He's strong, so he's whatever, a strong character. And then she can walk through hazards. So it'll be her that's going to go through the fire. and not get hurt. Which I don't know if that's working right now. I should probably go check. But this level is going to have a buttload of NPCs working on their science projects. I have to completely add a bunch of set dressing for all the offices, just like the first level. So there's still a lot of work to do. But right now I'm trying to get the fire to only show when I want it to. So you'll see she can go inside the fire and she doesn't get hurt. I do want to add a timer to it though. I kind of think it's overpowered a bit. Like she should be able to walk for a certain amount of time in fire. Whereas if I turn into, you know, Graham here, he'll start to lose health if he goes in here. Nope, see it's not working actually. It must have not changed. Yeah, I gotta figure this out. But right now we're trying to get this after cutscene logic working. So after the cutscene, we have the previous cutscene area. We need the save materialize item. All right, here. And it's going to be, the item is going to be, oh yeah, I have to get the item. Item equals document dot query selector. Morning, Han programmer. How you doing, bud? How goes it in your world? Data show after cutscene, I think, equals the cutscene, I guess, right? No, not the cutscene. Yeah, the cutscene. Make up your mind, bro. All right, this should work. I'm hesitant to do any actual testing and just let it go. And yes, we still need to do clean class name. All right, there we go. So if, oh shit, actually this is there could be multiple. Oh, I need to do the same thing I did before. Hold on. Why did I do that? I just did like an array push. Yeah, right here. I need to do this right here, basically. Your one question is, why is there a big ball of fire? Well, eventually there's going to be a rocket in the middle of that fire, so it'll make more sense. But I animated the fire last stream, which fucking took much longer than I wanted it to. Jeannie's going to put the fire out with her hazard ability. Then Iona's going to disengage the rocket so it doesn't explode. And then John is going to use his strength to move the rocket and throw it away. So it's kind of a tutorial puzzle mini, you know, mission to show off the abilities of everybody. Nobody will use that shit. A PHP game engine. Wasting your time. No, it's not a waste of time. It's for my video game, you know. I'm mainly, you know, the main reason I started building in the first place is for my RPG video game, building it into my WordPress site. So, yeah. Imagine, can't make your own game engine. Yeah. No. I mean, you can't think of it as like a major platform or game engine, right? It's just a way to build RPG video games, and you know, I can extend it to a million other things, turn-based fighting games, and you know, 2D side scrollers. all that stuff can be done with just vanilla JavaScript on the front end with some crafty styling. So yeah, first of all, people are interested. Website programmers definitely love the idea of becoming a game developer on their WordPress website and building their own little ideas. So yeah, I'm not worried about people wanting to use it or not. It's more about, you know, can I maintain it and keep it, you know, working as WordPress progresses. But yeah, exactly. 100%. Definitely not wasting time though. This is my fun project. But I am a website programmer by day. I'm a WordPress programmer specifically. I mean, I used to work for Disney for a while, worked for Warner Brothers, Universal, worked on and built on some Harry Potter websites for Warner Brothers, and I built DisneySyncLink.com for Disney, which is still live. They restyled it not that long ago, but yeah, that's still going. And then I worked on the Carrie Underwood website for a while, and these are all enterprise level WordPress sites. You'd be surprised how many billion-dollar corporations are actually working on WordPress and using it for their, for major revenue generation. So yeah, I mean, I'm not worried about WordPress going anywhere. Definitely not a waste of time to create a new outlet for people on WordPress. It's just like WooCommerce, right? Like, why would anybody build a shop on WordPress? You know what I mean? There's so many other platforms you can do that. Doesn't matter. People are. I did. I love my shop. It actually works really well. WooCommerce is very, lucrative, and they're generating tons of money for WordPress automatic. So could be in the same vein, an unconventional use for WordPress, like a store. I mean, it's supposed to be just for blogs, right? But like I said, I've been spending the past over a decade doing things on WordPress that it wasn't built to do, because that's what fucking companies are using it for. Because it's the best content management system. It's the easiest for people to go in and create articles and create content and manage the content. A non-techie person to do that. So if you can build all the functionality that you need on a website content management platform like that, it's fucking useful, man. You just make my engine to make my dream games, yeah, without worrying about a company suddenly changing stuff, yeah. Another great reason. There's many reasons. I don't ever do anything without the hope that someday it will lead to generating funds. But this game is a lost lead in order to get people to be interested in the books. So the whole reason I wanted to do it like this is so it could be a standalone game that will get people interested in the universe of Orbem. So, I've got many routes that doing this work will not be a waste of time. But yeah, I know the dude was just trolling, but I like to explain it anyways, because nobody really asks, and I think it's good to talk about. But fuck you, man. Yeah, I really don't care. It's funny though. I like it. I wish more people would jump on and just try to fucking, boost engagement like that. That was pretty great. Wasting your time. That's great. I love that too, the PHP thing. Making a game engine on PHP. No one's going to use that. Yeah, I mean, if it was just in PHP. I agree with that, actually. No one's just like, you know what, I'm going to build a PHP website, and I want to make a game. If this was just a PHP game engine, I'd say you're fucking right. But the fact that it's built into WordPress is actually very enticing. And imagine if you, extended it to other things. It's not that hard to extend all these custom fields to any platform. Imagine Shopify with an Orbem game engine app on Shopify. Now you can make your online store have a fucking rando video game built into it. This is all vanilla JavaScript, guys. It can run even in React or TypeScript. All this can be applied to that. Any JavaScript framework. So it's not like it's, you know, only using PHP. PHP is how it loads the HTML, but once the HTML is loaded, all the functionality is in JavaScript. Which you would only know if you were a website programmer. And yeah, that's what I've been doing for a couple decades now, is website programming. Okay. Oh, here's the crewmates thing. That's what I was talking about. Engage cutscene. Okay, so now I have this. Oh yeah, I was just copying this over. Hold on. There we go. And we'll change, whatever, we'll just call it the same thing. So, now that we have this, basically, I don't need that. You just have one question. How safe is this CMS? You know, WordPress has gone through its up and downs with security. That being said, it's as safe as you want to make it. If you do everything right, you don't use a lot of third-party plugins that are untrustworthy or whatever, and you escape all your variables, you nonce all your form fields, you sanitize all your input data that's coming in, it's impenetrable. I mean, it is. Especially if you come up with some crafty ways of hiding the admin. Right now, you can't access my WordPress admin easily. There is one easy way to get in, like, to the actual login screen, but like, I don't let anybody that creates an account access WordPress. I just redirect them back to the homepage. And everybody's a subscriber has zero access to anything. So it's, like I said, anybody can create an insecure platform on any platform. You know, you can open up holes, add proxies with fucking query params that you can just enter shit. You know, hard code a bunch of API keys. There's a lot of ways to make things insecure. So it's very safe if I'm building the website. Not so much if you're just kind of fucking around and using, you know, every third-party plugin and theme that you can find, because I mean, you have to trust that they are doing all the right things, and a lot of people find out that they're not, unfortunately. So that's unfortunate, but yeah, it's pretty safe. It's also very smart to do 2FA, you know, get WordFence, use 2FA for login, so nobody can get in without having a 2auth authentication app. And that's the only thing you really have to deal with. The rest of it's like, who cares? I mean, I'm not doing anything crazy. My shop is using normal payment gateways. Like, I don't have any specialized, like, I'm not collecting credit cards or anything where I'm worried about data breaches or anything like that. All right, this technically should work. I'm very tempted to just push this live too, but I'm noticing some weird fucking bugs going on right now, and I don't even know where they came from. I don't remember pushing any bugs. So why can't I talk to anybody? That's my main problem right now. Is it because I added the fireball? Wait, where did she go? Oh, good. Well, that worked. She's supposed to disappear. Hold on, why can't I talk to him? It's like I fucked up the, for some reason, it's like I screwed up the cutscene logic. When I work on my pause menu, I accidentally make it so my player gunshot backwards. Boy, that's cool. Secret shot. Hey, why aren't you talking to me? Talk to me. I don't know what I did. I think the safe thing to do right now would be pull down production and see what I broke. And then I can test all the stuff I just did. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and pull down production. Yeah, those of you who have returned and have not been to my last couple streams, you might have noticed I do not have a mic over here anymore. I decided to go wireless, and now I can just lean back and still talk to you guys. Because holy crap, it's so much better to have my full arm space again. That makes me super happy. Alright. Let's pull to local. By the way, if any of you like any of the music you're hearing in the background, ask me about it. Most of them are songs from old bands, things I've recorded. Some of them are more recent stuff, but yeah, a lot of it's available online. Some of it's not. I did put a whole list together of songs from my stream playlist that are not available anywhere. I put it on my Patreon. I'm doing good? Hell yeah, appreciate it. And yeah, so you can get it there if you want, but yeah, most of it's online for free. Okay, so we just want the uploads, the database. Yep. Let's pull. Yeah, and the fire's the first one. The next one we need to build is the rocket. I don't really know. I want it to look like it crashed, and it needs to look kind of maybe some oil spills or something. It's going to be in the middle of a fireball though, so I need to look like it's burning as well. So I think, yeah, I think I need to make a chart on the edges, which would be good. Because we have the rocket fire here, and then we need the rocket itself. And then we need the fire extinguisher, which is an invisible trigger that Genie will click. That'll be good. Guess I could actually create a fire extinguisher itself item and make her have to drag the fire extinguisher into the fire to put it out. Oh yeah, I was just making her push a button. That's what it was. Like the rocket had a fire extinguisher button for some reason. I like the drag idea, because I have draggable items with the drag destination. So if the drag destination can trigger a mission completion, which will make the fire disappear, and then we can move on to disarming the rocket. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay, let's check the local. Probably good to go now. Wah. Wah. Come on. Come on. I know, I can hear myself talking. Alright, let's jump on in. Alright, so I'm gonna start a brand new game and see what the hell's going on.
Let's start off with a nice formal intro. My name is Dr. Graham Milford.
Because I
I'm
thought I
better
had.
known as a technologist.
I definitely have
Hmm.
triggers working, talking working.
Oh, hello.
Hey,
No.
by Cranston.
Yeah, that works. But
Hey, here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
thanks, bro. I need to talk to what's his face. Let's talk to the boss
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave.
and
for
see,
good.
because there was definitely some console erroring going on. Oh, we already have some right here. Okay, so I must have fucked them up. That's good. Show after cutscene. Got it. I'm probably just not checking for something like I should be. Maybe I need to check if cutscene name exists. This is by the remove. Oh, that's right here. Remove things. Maybe it's the cutscene name being in here. Alright, no name. Appreciate you jumping on, my friend. I'll catch you in the next one. For show. I just want to get back to working on the fireball. You love to meet me? Appreciate it, Dark Raven. I'll be honest, I'm really cool. Coolest dude I know. And I understand your wants. But I also live in Michigan, 12 acres, and in the middle of nowhere. So meeting me is very difficult. I also work too much, have 2 kids and a wife and 4 dogs, so I don't meet even my longtime friends, unfortunately. But hey, who knows? Keep in contact. Jump on the Discord. Cutscene name. What? Why? Wait, what is the error? Maybe I should actually pay attention. It is... It's not a valid selector. Oh, that isn't a valid selector. I'm an idiot. I forgot to put the brackets on the inside. See, all you have to do is pay attention, people. That's it. Just a little bit. Oh, see, I did it right here. Apparently not there. Okay. We'll see now if it works. I mean, that wasn't what was broken, because this wasn't in production. But now we're catching the bugs.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
There we go. No more cutscene errors.
Hey, Mr. Soberson.
Yeah, why is he doing that? Is he trying to look down on me? Wait, he lost all his images. Why'd he lose all his images?
Hey, Craig.
Oh no, this is a trigger? Oh, this is a trigger, my bad. I'm tripping. Trigger. Cutscene. Where is he though?
Oh, hey, Grain. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there. Look,
Oh my fucking
so
god. We're
sorry
gonna
about
attack
your
dude.
project not working out.
No, that's
Don't
me.
worry, though. You're a young guy.
No,
You'll do great
that's-
things in your life after foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption and getting a real
That's
proof
the
of concept.
mission. Here we go.
There, you saw the wormhole open that day.
What
right?
you doing? You are...
Grain, unfortunately, no one saw. And it isn't just the board who has doubts.
Where's the engage?
Between
Oh,
Professor
okay,
Cranston
that's
and
why.
Dr.
It's
Giles,
on
both
static
making
down.
some solid arguments against
Okay,
the
good.
wormhole theory.
So I'm not crazy.
Giles have been enough funding for
Is my
it
voice
to be
crispy?
brought on.
Uh-oh. Am I screwing with my own mic? My bad. I think I wasn't paying attention to my my
Don't
arm
forget
positioning.
the watermelon incident.
Let me know if it still sounds weird.
There.
Alright. Okay, so far so good. Let's keep going. I was able to talk to him. And he did walk away, so that's good. Alright. Dum, 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 dum.
You know why I started Foresight.
Okay, this works locally.
To take over the world?
No, it.
Right. Almost like
I
Mad
call
Men.
this
Like
continuing
Mad
magic.
Men.
Your
Mad Men.
suffering is not just bad people are afraid of your research. You will be stationed at my research.
Okay, so this is still not working. This is what I need to figure out. Why? Okay, let's meet that. Why is my trigger not triggering? So this is the cutscene trigger. Okay, that's good. Where's the indicator though? Are you at indicator? Oh, he's right here. Why you no show? Why you no show? Hmm? Color me confused. Opacity is 0. Yeah, I know that, but why is the indicator not? Oh yeah, look. It's stopping. Oh man, what did I break? That's so annoying. That's such an annoying thing to break. God damn it. Alright, let's look at the indicator now. I have actually fought with this indicator for a while. I mean, nothing's changed. Okay, so the indicator, the trigger is doing something with the indicator, but it's not keeping it. So trigger indicators right here. That's if I'm touching a sign. If in hazard set to true. Wait, what? Oh, whatever. Okay, this is different. Let's see what's going on with this function. So this is, boom, add engage. Okay. And then when I leave, it goes away where it's supposed to. So this must be getting hit. But for some reason, it's getting hit and then going away real quick. I'm just trying to think, what did I do? Let's check the logs. What have I done? Yeah, I added the show item stuff, but this wasn't in production yet. I did the fade in scene shit. Is it the new character selection logic? No, that shouldn't do anything. Clean class name. That's if it's a cutscene area. Fade out. Yeah, it's all fade logic. Huh. What did I do before that? Walking interval, move speed. Yeah, so 3 days ago. This is what I did last time. So we added the fade out shit. We fucked with the character name. Okay, we added character name. Path trigger shit. I just don't know if any of this would actually screw anything up, though. I did move before cutscene. Was this part of before cutscene? No, I don't think so. Clean class name. This character. No, nothing here. Change weapon. No, this is all character select stuff. I do setting cog. When did I change that? I don't remember doing that. Still wouldn't change this though. Alright. I don't know. I mean, it definitely was working. Okay. I guess let's troubleshoot the old-fashioned way. Hey. 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 Okay, well, that's working. Not worried about that working. But for some reason, indicator, which is indicator icon, is losing its engage. So let's find out why. What removes it? After cutscene? I don't know why that would actually do anything. Wait, why do I have indicator in here? Huh, hide it. Okay. I don't think that's the reason, but let's check. Let's check it. Between us. No, it's not that. Cool. Wherever you are. Indicator. Cutscene. Sorry. No, I'm not even removing it here. This is actually what makes it show up. Okay. Okay. So this has to be the only place it's being used. Here we go. Okay, let's check this one. Oh, the classic colon instead of semicolon. Love it. I have noticed that a lot of people aren't using semicolons anymore in vanilla JavaScript. I don't know. It's just how I type. Oh. This is getting hit like a motherfucker. Well, I think we figured it out. Why? Why are you being hit? Oh. Trap hazard. Am I in the hazard right now? What does that mean? I did create a hazard, but it's way the fuck up there. Why would I be in the hazard? I guess we should check. Then we have drag me. And... Huh. Wait, what the hell is going on here? What is this? Remove item on collision if collectible. Yeah. Else if... This is a materialized item trigger. Okay, so this is just a random set of shit. The only thing I did was add a hazard. So I'm gonna check if for some reason this is getting hit. Which would be weird, because I'm not touching it. So if this is true, then I'm confused. Okay. Apparently I am currently touching the hazard value. What did I do? Well, actually, at least we can look now. Hazard. Hazard remove. Yeah, that's not what I want. Data hazard true. Way up there. I'm not touching it. That's it. Wait, what was that last one? No? See? Yeah, same thing. So if I remove this, will it stop? What the fuck? Maybe there's like a mad buffer on it that I don't know about. Hold on. Hold on. Value 50. Hazard removed, no. No, there's nothing crazy about it. It's just like Thyrus. It's... Oh, no, this is the cutscene. Or the mission. Hold up. Weird. So the hazard is to blame. What did I do to the hazard? I don't know. What did I do? Interaction to hazard. Is it because it's not a background item? Remove after drag dust. Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah. That's cool. Not what I need, but good to remember. I don't know what the big fucking deal is. Okay. Well, let's figure it out. Why would this come in unless I was hitting it? Oh, that's not the else if. The else if is from here. Yeah, if overlap. Oh. That would explain it, kind of. Can I do impressions? Sound of sounds. Sound of the sounds. Yeah, I can do some impressions. No, I don't know, actually. Who? Who would I do? I can do Gandalf. It is I, the old man. Yeah, that's the only one I can do. Just Gandalf. I know. I'm Dumbledore. There you go. Leave Dumbledore too. Just old men. Old men in general. I am giving you extra points to Gryffindor. I am Dumbledore. There you go. Yeah, that's why I want to do the voiceover for the old people in my game too. So I'll use this voice. This will be the main character the whole time. And then, oh no, what about me, Calderant? I'm an old man. That's all I need. Just 2 voices. Good. Yes. Okay. So I definitely, I mean, it's because I haven't added a hazard in a long time. I'm guessing this shit needs to not exist the way it does. Because right now, it's basically saying, if the value is a hazard, then do this shit. Which is weird, and I don't know why I would add that. Like, why is this here? I'm sure I have a reason. I just can't think of one. Because look, there's a set timeout for hazard item in hazard. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. It's so when I leave the hazard. That's what it is. Got it. Okay. I can't see what's happening. Sorry. Talking to off-screen individuals. Yeah, I get it. But I need, like, it can't just be if it's a hazard. It needs to be if the value is a hazard and, you know, I'm not... No, because this logic is if you're not touching the hazard, undo all the logic. But now it's going to keep getting hit over and over. So I need to check if the hazard has engage or something, right? Let me check what I add to hazard. No, because it's not going to have anything. No, it will until this. So yeah. So hazard item, false. Hazard item, false. Oh, okay. Well, then I need to do in hazard equals true. So that is true and true equals in hazard. Right. Yeah, because it can't just be if it's hazard, because then this is going to get hit constantly. All right, let's try that. This might bite me. I'll have to figure out. I wrote this hazard logic during the finishing of the local demo, so guessing I will need, what did I do? I'll need to rewrite it anyways. Did it work? Yeah, it compiled. Oh, it's weird to give word warning. Okay, let's see if this stops. Dude, it looks like, did that fucking time out? What happened? Okay. There we go. Cool. Let's see if I can even get the hazard now. Yeah. Oh fuck. I went too fast. And I touched her. Okay. I'll let you walk it in your own time. Yeah. Go to your spot. Okay, so there is no fire. That's fine. So let's... Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do all this. Hold on. Son of a bitch. Technically, I don't have to do this. I just need to go to Bylon to trigger it. So I'm going to cheat right now. We cheating out here. Dev mode, baby. We God moding out here. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna go to Bylon. Oh shit. There is a... Okay, so now when I come back, the fire should be there. If my logic is correct. And it should save, so when I refresh, everything should work. Now we're testing the real shit. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now let's check the network logs. Did it work? Save materialize item. Okay. Nothing. Okay. It tried. Unfortunately, it didn't save anything. Well, let's see if the fire showed up at least. It didn't. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Hold on, let me turn the Neona so I can be faster, even though it doesn't look like the fucking speed thing is working right now. That's weird, actually. It should be working. Okay, fire's not here. Got it. Okay, so that didn't work. Good to know. Well, we know that it actually tried, so that's cool. So after cutscene, and then we get right here, save material item. So it doesn't look like show item worked. Save materialize item did work. The area is correct. What? It's just this array didn't do anything. So, oh, I think I need to actually make this an array first. Oh, I did. Ooh, I shouldn't do that. I don't know why I'm doing that. Or maybe that's okay. I guess that's okay. Okay. That's fine. Push, show, not working. So, that means that this is not working. So show items does exist. It must be looping. Show after cutscene. Okay, well, let me double check that I called it the right thing. Show after cutscene. Yeah. Make sure I spelled it right. I did. Also need to know if remove after. Oh, did that work? Oh yeah, it did. Add explore points. There it is. So that worked. So that means that the previous cutscene area, this is correct. So everything was perfect. Except this. Meaning something was up. And this is a very annoying thing to test. So you know what? I'm not going to. Hey everybody. Thanks so much for joining tonight. I hope you have an amazing Friday. If you don't come back tomorrow, I'm probably going to stream tomorrow. So, but if you don't show up, I hope you all have a great and amazing Friday. And for that matter, an amazing weekend. Hey, we've had a lot of great conversations today. I'm actually super happy. Dark Raven, thank you so much for jumping on and talking. Han Programmer, always good to see you. Yeah, whatever. I understand you think it's a waste of time, and that is completely fine for you to say, even though you're wrong. Sales, thank you as well for jumping on here. It's good to have some good combos. And Dak Dude, one of the OGs. You're a real one, my friend. Good luck with school and everything like that. And then Spice King. I did not say anything about gay people. So appreciate your trolling. Quintessential internetness. Sounds of the sounds. Hey, thanks for the impressions stuff. That was always fun. And No Name Noggin. Appreciate you jumping on. Asteron. Great to see you again. And I think that's everybody. Love to talk to everyone that's ever jumped on. So if you also want to catch my stream in the future, make sure you're subscribed. I hope that everybody here has an amazing night, and I will catch you all in the future. So have a good weekend. Goodbye.